Hey everybody, happy Friday, happy Feature Friday. Welcome to what I call Feature Friday, and I come on every Friday and we will walk through a different house in a different area, and it allows us to see what our money can buy us in different areas, how we can look and see how people are decorating, be a little nosy, and kind of just walk through and just have a conversation. So if you guys are on, and jump on and say hi. And if you have questions, let me know. If you watch this later and have any questions or just curious, like, hey, what about this, Betsy? Let me know. Send me a little message and I'll watch and I'll kind of comment on it too. The other thing that's super fun about this is we never know what's gonna happen. So I love the houses that you guys suggest. This one, just to give you an idea of what this one is that I am actually showing houses over here a little bit later to some buyers. And so I was like, I'm gonna just pick something over here that I wanted to come in and see. So I'm excited to look at this one. I have not walked through it. I literally just walked in the door, and we're gonna be nosy and take a look at it together. So I will tell you a little bit about it as we walk through. I'll highlight some things. Again, jump on, ask questions, and let's be nosy together. All right, let's turn around. All right, so I just walked in this house. This house is over here in the Park Hill neighborhood of Denver, over near like Colfax in Colorado. It is a 3-bedroom, 3-bath. It is listed right now at $904,000. It does have a brand new 2-car detached garage that has access off the alley, which is cool. And we're gonna hopefully get out there and see it. It has new everything. So they've come through, they've done all new doors, windows. As you can see, they've done new kitchen. They've pretty much, I believe as I read the notes, I can tell that they have like gutted this and updated everything. So I'm gonna give you a little front view. So this is a school right across the street. It's a high school, but seems very quiet right now. It looks really clean, very nicely done, exterior and everything. So they have new AC. So let's just go take a look through here. Here's the first bedroom right off the front door. So this room, I would say maybe a queen and not a lot else, maybe a king and nothing else. The floors are new, all looks like vinyl laminate. This bathroom, so I'm wondering if this is the primary. I'm gonna see if I can, sorry for the weird looks, but okay, here we go. Pretty, so quartz countertops, tile floor. Check out how they did that herringbone tile and how it complements into the shower. I love to look at the shower heads, so I'm always gonna look at the shower heads and see, because they fascinate me and they're fun. I don't know why. Very nicely done bathroom. So this might be the primary. Let's check out the closet. So actually a very nice walk-in closet for this age of a home. So this house was built in 1928. So the original of this definitely would not have large bathroom, large closets. It's just not part of this era. I'm curious to hear what you guys think about the coloring. So often we see all white or all white and gray, or that's kind of been the look for so long. But this is a little different, like the black quartz, gas, which is nice. Stainless steel, looks like a double oven there, which is really nice. Fitting that in, and it kind of comes over here. Nice brand new refrigerator. This is kind of a nice little dining area. So I guess you would put, hi Sarah, happy Friday. Put kind of your couch, sitting area here, and then maybe dining over here. And then that looks like it goes downstairs. Maybe it's a little pantry area there. Little half bath for guests, which is nice. And they've carried through the same vanities, mirrors, and light fixtures. So that's really nice that they've done that. Here is the door to outside, which I'm gonna actually open it up because I want you guys to see the backyard and how they did this. So it's brand new AC unit here, which is nice. New hot water heater, new furnace. They really they came in and redid everything. Nice grass and quiet area. I love the finished overhang. It just helps make it feel complete. So that is a brand new garage that they did. And then there's also extra, 2 cars can fit additional parking off the alley there. So that's really a nice feature, especially when you get into these neighborhoods that are very tight with parking. You want lots of dedicated spaces. And you kind of pick what you're looking for. All right, let's take a look downstairs. Come down. It's actually a nice wide railing. A lot of times what I'll see in these older homes is that to get down to the basement, it's so narrow. It's like, how are you going to get your couch down here? How are you going to get your beds and things? It's really difficult. So it's nice that they've opened that up. This is a good size room here. So it looks like it just did a standard double closet here. It does have the egress, which is something that they've added. So that's a huge value add. Hi, Donna. Happy Friday. And let's see, here's then another one. So again, this is a 3-bedroom, 3 baths. So 2 bedrooms are down here in the basement. I'm back, but I totally missed you guys from downstairs. I am gonna go ahead and post all of the photos. Downstairs is beautiful. The bathroom, you've gotta check it out. 2 bedrooms, great sitting area. So what's lacking up here in space, you get down there in the sitting spot. So it's really nice. So that's the house here in Park Hill, listed at 904. And if there is a house that you're interested in being nosy, let me know for next Friday. So I hope